In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Data Studio to MySQL. Making a seamless connection between these two powerful tools can open up a world of data visualization possibilities for you. Today, we'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you can successfully set up the connection and start creating insightful reports. First, let's open Looker Studio. This is your first destination on this journey. Go ahead and navigate to Looker Studio in your browser and ensure you're signed in with the appropriate Google account that you'll be using to manage your reports. Once you're there, take a moment to get familiar with your workspace if you haven't already. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a plus Create button. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Data Source. This is your gateway to connecting all kinds of data sources, not just MySQL. In the next step, you'll be presented with a list of connector options. Here you want to choose the MySQL connector. This choice will allow us to set up a connection with your MySQL database directly. If you're new to Data Studio, you might be surprised by the number of different connectors you can explore later, but for now let's focus on MySQL. Configuring the connection is our next task. When you select the MySQL connector, you'll be prompted to input necessary details for the connection. Start by providing the host name or the IP address of your MySQL server. This information tells Data Studio where to find your database. While configuring, you'll also be asked for a port number. This field is optional and by default it's set to 3306, which is the standard MySQL port. However, if your server uses a different port, make sure to enter that instead. Now specify the database name you're planning to connect to in MySQL. Be meticulous here as a typo could result in a failure to connect. Next, you'll enter the username and password for your MySQL connection. This authentication step is crucial for ensuring that you have the right access permissions set up for your database. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click Authenticate to check if your connection details are accurately entered. Take a deep breath. Sometimes this process might need a couple of tweaks if the initial attempt doesn't go through. After authentication, you'll be prompted to choose the specific table from your MySQL database that you wish to use within Data Studio. Make your selection based on what data you wish to visualize or analyze. Finally, all that's left is to click Connect. Doing this will establish the link between Data Studio and your MySQL data, officially readying your data for use in reports. Congratulations, you've now successfully connected Google Data Studio to MySQL, paving the way for rich dynamic data visualizations in your reports. Happy reporting and enjoy unleashing the power of your data in visual form.